Hello, good evening. Si Joel po ito. Tingnan natin ngayon yung the OSH situations. Ito, OSH situation, ibig sabihin, Occupational Safety Health Situation. So, sabi rito ng ILO, International Labor Organization, as the work patterns changes, trends on accidents and diseases may also reflect how workers are affected. So, nagbabago na kasi yung work pattern. Okay, tapos trends of accidents and diseases may also reflect on how workers are affected. Okay, meron sinasabing MSDS, no? MSDs. Ang tawag dito, musculoskeletal disorders. So, itong musculoskeletal disorders, bagong mga sakit to dahil sa pagbabago ng pattern, work patterns. Nagbabago yung work mo, magbabago din yung mga accidents and diseases. So, yung bagong disease ngayon, ito nga, musculoskeletal disorders. Galing ito sa types ng trabaho sa loob ng isang opisina or sa loob ng occupational safety setting, no, ng isang company. At bukod pa dyan, mayroon pang mental health disorder. So, this is another issue na dapat tutukan din. Okay? So, itong mga to are on the rise, no? Lumalaki. Yun lang. Bye.